Hey guys, welcome to Chronicles of a Quarantine Chef. Today we're doing a little happy hour episode. We got some deviled eggs, some teriyaki grilled chicken wings, and later we're going to be showing you a grilled citrus margarita. Right here we're going to show you a quick little time lapse of us doing our hard boiled eggs. We do these for about 8 minutes in cold water with salt. Let's check it out and then we'll move on to how we make the filling. Alright, so we got our hard-boiled eggs ready for us. We went ahead and peeled them and cut them lengthwise. Yeah. You know you did it right when you get that nice, kind of soft looking color in the middle there. When you have the green edges, that means you usually overcooked your hard-boiled eggs. So we did it we put it in cold water, brought it up to a boil with the eggs in it, a little bit of salt. As soon as it came to a boil, we turned it off, let it sit there covered for about 8 minutes, threw some ice on top of it just to cool them off, and we had perfect eggs. So we're gonna take all these yolks, throw them into the center. Some are being more difficult than others. Put our eggs to the side for right now. We don't have to worry about those while we make our filling. All right, so we have a little bit of dill and tarragon. A little bit of scallion. We're going to save some of that for our garnish on top. Pepper. Kosher salt. Get some mayonnaise that's already been mixed with a little bit of yellow mustard and Dijon mustard. A little bit of pickle juice. Whisk. We're just going to smash this all up. If you have a food processor and you're doing larger amounts, you can, it's definitely a lot easier to do it in there. But since we're just doing a small amount just for the two of us, we just do a little bowl here rather than pulling out the food processor and dealing with that. All right, so we got our filling. We have a disposable piping bag. If you don't have this, you can just use a large Ziploc bag or small Ziploc bag to hand how much product you're going to be using or how many eggs you're going to be making. We take all that filling, scrape it down into the bowl. If you have quart container or a pint glass, something like that, when you are filling your Ziploc bag, it's going to make your life a lot easier. Just helping you hold the bag open. So we got our filling all nice and through there. Cut the bottom of the bag or the edge of the Ziploc bag, and we're gonna pipe it. All right, so we're gonna top ours with just a little bit of more scallion. You could use chive, you could use scallion, you could use pickled onions, and then can't have traditional deviled eggs without a little bit of paprika on top. So we're just gonna dust it with just a touch of paprika. And that's our deviled eggs. All right, so we got our wings that we marinated overnight. straight out of the bag in the marinade. If you don't have cryovac, it's okay. So you can still use a Ziploc bag. Nice and spread out. We'll save a little bit of juice that's left in there for when we flip them. We'll glaze them with a little bit of that juice. Then we'll toss them with some hoisin later. Alright guys, so we got our wings nice and grilled. We got a bowl for mixing here. We took some of the hoisin that we talked about earlier and just add a little bit of butter to it and a little saucepan, using the grill to heat all that up. We're going to take all these wings off the grill, toss it in the hoisin and butter mixture, and then we're going to garnish. So what's a happy hour without a little cocktail? For us, we're going to be doing a grilled citrus margarita. As you saw, we grilled a little bit of lemons, limes, and oranges. We had some simple syrup pre-made. Muddle it all together and move it to the table. So now we're going to be adding a little bit of ice. Going to use the tequila we have in our house, just a nice little reposado. Going to top it off. Now we'll just give it a little shake. We got our glasses all ready. If you want to salt your rims now, this would be a great time to do it. And there you go. We got our margarita.